up to me, he was like, what's good? I just want to get this right. Damn it! I'm starving. Hey, what's up, you guys? So I'm really excited to eat Panda Express. I haven't had this for like a very long time. I don't know when was the last time I had Panda Express, but I hope that is good because I am starving right now.
Panda, would you like that on the walk right temp as one of your meat items today?
Oh no, thank you.
Okay, what can I get started for you?
Can I do the 2-plate entree?
Okay, would you like chow mein or both?
Can I have fried rice and chow mein, but more chow mein, please?
More chow mein?
Yes. Can I actually try get it with the Shanghai Angus steak?
The Angus steak, of course. It is $1.25 extra, is that fine?
That's fine. And then also Kung Pao chicken, please?
Kung Pao?
Yes.
So we have a plate that's rice and chow mein with Kung Pao and Angus steak with the order of cream cheese and 2 chicken egg rolls.
Correct.
And a cup of water?
Yes.
Okay, your total will be $15.89. We'll see you at the window. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, you too. Alright guys, so I got my food. I'm going to set this up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, so this is my setup. I got Shanghai beef, Kung Pao chicken right here, some chow mein. I got egg rolls and crab ragoon. Well, actually cream cheese ragoon. Alright guys, so I am excited to eat. This is my food right here. Alright, so I think I am going to get started with the cream cheese ragoon. I haven't had these for a long time. That was really good. Sweet and sour sauce. So it's really hot, a sunny day right now, and I do apologize if you guys hear the AC blaring in the background, but I'm sweating. Some chow mein. Well, like I said to you guys, I haven't had Panda Express for a very long time, and it just tastes like basic fast food Chinese food, I guess. I don't know how else to explain it or describe it. Can't forget about the chicken egg roll. Is it focusing? It doesn't want to focus. Alright, chicken egg roll. Yes, I double dip. It's my own food. Almost forgot about my Shanghai Angus steak. You guys even see my food? My egg roll, cream cheese ragoon. I actually like the sweet and sour sauce that they have. I'm sorry. I'm really hungry. Like I said, I was on campus all day long. I suck at being a college student because apparently I forgot to bring my lunch as well as some snacks. When I got out, I was like, I'm gonna grub. Whatever I get, I gotta get a lot of food. So, I was talking to a friend before I left campus. She was really bummed out because she got her letters from the universities, and one of them was a denial letter from USC. I just thought about the whole scandal that that's been going on, the admission scandal with Aunt Becky, the lady from Full House. I forget what her real name is, but so basically the whole gist of it is that these rich parents are paying their kids through college, and some of them don't even want to be there, and it's really sad because people who actually put in the effort and who have good GPAs and grades, who actually want to go to school, can't even get in. And school is already impacted as it already is, and you have like these individuals who are doing these things and just paying their way through, which is really sad and unethical. But just a random thought. But anyway, I don't want to think about school right now. I'm taking a little mental break. I know you guys could probably hear the AC blaring in the background, but it's still really hot in my car. And what is it? It's 80 degrees outside right now. Some more chow mein. First meal, you guys. The steak is really meaty. So, I was thinking the other day how busy I am. You know, a lot of people that I know are really busy, you know? Like, I work full-time, I go to school full-time, and then I also try to go to the gym as well. And as I'm eating this Panda Express. But no, you should always treat yourself every now and then. So it's okay. But anyways, I never want to fall into that crack. And also, like, how should I put it into words? So basically, I had a little argument with one of my friends, and they would bring these individuals around me when I invite them out. Yeah, it's a public place and stuff like that, but I don't want to be around them, you know? They're like bad people, you know? Like, you should never surround yourself with people who always sit around and complain about their lives and stuff like that. Yeah, granted, it's okay to vent here and there, but when you're doing it all day long to a point where it's killing my mood and my vibe and everybody else's vibe, then I don't want to be around you, you know? Like, these individuals, they're not kind to other people. They don't support, you know, my goals or ambitions, at least. Especially when I was talking to some friends about like starting this YouTube channel, and then they just like laughed at me. I'm like, okay. That made me really mad because I do have a lot of random goals and ideas, but what sets me apart from them is the fact that I actually go out and try to pursue it, even if I fail, you know, because that's a part of life. And they always see the downside of things, and they're never positive, you know? Like, if you serve no purpose in my life, then you don't deserve to be in my life at all. You know what I mean? Like, I'm already busy as it is, and yeah, you do make time for those that are important to you. But what I'm trying to say is, I don't have time, and I don't want to waste my time on people who don't serve any purpose in my life. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I don't know. I don't know what I'm ranting about, but hopefully you guys understand what I meant by that. And it's just really annoying. Can't forget the chicken egg rolls. Food. I'm really weird when I eat because I can't just have one thing. I have to have like a little variety of things. And I'm a texture person too, so I have chow mein and rice and chicken, so they're all soft. So I need something crunchy to balance everything out. I don't know, I'm weird like that. These are really good. But as I was saying, oh, and that also made me think about like last month when I was at the gym. I was working out chest, and I was doing the butterfly for the machine, the butterfly machine. And across from me was this big, buff guy that had tattoos all over his face and body. He looked like he clearly just got out of jail. And so basically, long story short, I was working out. He's in my vicinity. He came up to me because he thought that I was dogging him out or whatever. And then he came up to me. He was like, "What's good?" And I'm like, "What are you talking about?" He goes, "What's good?" I'm like, "Bro, I don't even know you. Why are you, you know, barking up at me like that, you know?" He basically said that he don't appreciate the fact that I'm walking around like I'm hard or whatever. And I'm over here dogging him out and staring at him like I know him. So here I am thinking that I'm gonna get beat up by this like 300-pound juiced up guy that was on steroids and has tattoos all over his face and get kicked out from the gym that I go to. And I was so pissed. And then I was like, dude, I don't even know you. Why are you coming up to me and trying to like punk me? I'm like, you're 4 times my size, bro, you know? I didn't get that. And then my friends came shortly after, and I told them about that, and they're like, "Oh, he's probably like juiced up on steroids and stuff like that." And I'm like, okay, well that doesn't make it right, you know what I mean? I just don't know what's wrong with people. I mean, I don't walk around with bitch face. At least I don't think I have one. What do you guys think? I'm gonna try to finish my food. Actually, no, I'm getting kind of full. Oh, I totally forgot I had sriracha in my car. Can't believe I forgot it. Finish my egg rolls. So, I'm getting a little full. I love how I said I'm getting a little full, but yeah, I'm still eating. Got hello rice. Okay, one last bite. Alright, so I think I'm going to end my mukbang right here. I do thank you guys for listening to me rant about my life. There's a lot of cruel people in the world, a lot of people who are rude and so forth, who are going through different things in their life. We all don't know. But please, let's try to be kind to one another and be one less of an asshole. Alright, so if you'd like to see any more videos like this or any other video ideas, please comment down below. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.